Happy birthday, Lola Chai.
Say happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola. Say mo, guys.
Say love you.
Love you, Lolo.
Ano Lolo? Lola Chai. Love you, Lola Chai.
Love you, Lola Tama.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Saan punta mo? Ha? Nandiyan na train. May train.
No, akin to.
Walang face.
Ihiga ko ba ito sa ano? Trixie! Ay, tulog. Huli mo si Kai Kai, Lolo. Ay, kuya! Ay! Oy, 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 oy.
Hello.
Hello, kuya.
Saan ang petrol?
Paano si JR nag-park ng kotse? Tree! Hello, baby tree! Wow, very good. Oh! Oh, yung isang maliit. Yung isang maliit. Tree, where are we going? We say hi, bye-bye. Asa na sila? Kai-kai.
Tawag ko mag-forward na
What's I?
Wala na.
Sa si Trey. Pili tayo, pili. Saan tayo pipila? Ano kaya maging ano ni Trey? Ano? Gising siya.
Connect to my anak.
Review will completed. Thank you.
Oh
Bilis
yeah,
na.
that's me, Imogen. Nana, pupunta daw si Imogen. Sabi yan. Oh. There, look there.
Ginanong ko yung ulo.
Ay, Diyos ko. Oh, ito pa isa. Oh. Pixie.
1, 2, 3. Di pa ba, actually?
Travis.
Okay na yan. Mahalin mo naman.
Tulog. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Lola.
Oh, usap ka. Oo, oo. No, no. CR.
Oy, Archie, that's nice ha.
CR. Paano pupunta sa beach? Wow!
Layo ng ano eh.
Ang layo.
mesa nila eh.
Oo nga, ang laki ng mesa eh.
Bato-bato.
Travis, what are you eating there?
My
Trey
hand.
Trey!
I'm eating my
Trey
hand.
Trey!
Trey, look at
What
Lola
are you
Trey.
eating? Trey Trey! Uy! Trixie! Kay Kai! Wow, yum yum! Kay Kai!
Aabot din dyan, Lolo.
Wow, O di, okay lang. Sabay na kami ni Lolo.
Kami ito mainit lang.
Sabay na kami ni Lolo.
2 hands.
Wow! Gaby, what are you eating?
Mac and cheese and fries.
Yummy? Wow, I think so. Wow! You say good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you now?
Chai Express's room now at my Pupo room's kidney toilet.
In Bohol.
Wait, I'm also gonna get
Good morning, Lolo. Good morning. Are you okay now? Umulan. Andito kami sa Bohol. We're here at Amorita. It's a big place. 5 hectares daw. Ang daming building. Ang daming villa. So tayo, Lolo. Eat there. Dito. Sige, sige. Oh, ayan. Puro puno. So many puno. Different naman ito sa may mga villas dito. Kung gusto mo ng sariling bahay, mga villas, private. Sabi nila maraming pupunta artista kasi it's a very private place. Ayan ang restaurant. And then the kids will play there. Oh, ewan ko lang si Kai kung gising na. 3 bedrooms kami. Solo namin ni Lolo. Meron kami roommate. Dito. Si Travis. Saan ka dadaan? Diyan din pala. May roommate kami. Si Travis. Baby Travis. So far, okay naman yung plane. Ang bilis lang Lolo. 1 hour. Yung plane Air Asia. Good morning. Andiyan na ba yung mga kids? Andiyan na ba yung mga babies? Hindi ko makita. Andiyan ba, Lolo? Saan sila? Buffet. Our breakfast. Buffet. Okay.
May I ask for the room number, Mom?
220. Thank you. Gabe, where's Kai? Still sleeping? Tulog pa rin? Wow, are you eating? Where's Kai?
Mag-eat ka ha.
Uy, Gabe, ang itim mo na.
Namumula nga eh.
Wow, ang sarap naman ang pagkain nyo. Hi, Trey! Good morning! Sarap, ang daming food ni Trey. Ang daming food.
Diba? The bacon is crunchy.
Wow! Para makita. Oo nga naman. Ay, gising pala. Hi! Opo ka na ng pagkain. Good morning, baby Travis. Good morning. Yan. I see, there's the beach. Look. Yummy. Gabe, are you okay? Gising na si Kai. Ha? Gising na, baby? Wait.
Actually, I think kanina pa to.
So yummy.
Game, what's this?
And egg.
You want to use this?
Kamusta yung kiss? Ay, lolo. Kiss Travis only. Kiss. Oh, love. Uy, love. Oh, love. Love.
Kai, good morning. Say hi, Lolo. See, we're in Bohol.
Kasi bangon.
Bohol. Ay, no. Pag na-store.
school bus.
What? Wheels on the bus, you like? Oo, Travis. Pawis si Travis. Yan. Ano nga yan? Yummy. Sarap. Alam mo, masarap lahat ng pagkain nila. Hi, Lolo. Are you okay now? Daming
Ito
nakain.
lang.
Oo nga. Thank you.
Alin mo, ang bigat niyan.
Oli ka.
Nag-beach pa rin kahapon, ganyan. Ano? Did you good sleep? Ha? You like milk? Ha? Ha? You like milk? Ha? So you like to go swimming too? Ha? You just smile. Smile, smile lang.
Kai, baby.
Hello, Kai Kai. Hello.
Pa yan.
Oo nga, ready.
Kai, you want to go inside? What's the sound of the lion?
Sigang gigigilan si... Where's Kuya? Kuya! Again. What's the sound?
The lion.
There's the beach. Oh. Ay, hindi nagbigay ng towel. Yan na, baby. Oh, ayun. Wow. Ganda ng room namin. Oh. Kai! Kuya! Oo, we can walk.
Teka lang, pwede bang magpa-picture dito?
Kasali ako. Kasali ako. Kasali si Travis. Hindi.
Mabigat talaga. Akin na dad.
Hindi.
Hindi. Mabigat talaga.
Ah, dapat naka. Gabe. Ay! What's that song? What's that song? Ay, no! Kai! Go, give me!
Bike sa'yo.
Kai, Gabe, you dance. Kai, you dance.
Okay, put your Kai, put this one.
Travis, baby! Travis! Good morning! Lolo, oh Lolo. Uy, uy, uy. Sleeping pa. Oh, you sleep. Sleep, baby. Sleep. Sleep daw siya. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yes, go. You go, Lolo. Lolo, you go with Gabe.
Coffee ka, ma?
It can... Hindi, meron naman doon, di ba? Wow, ang sarap ng food ni Trey. Hi, Trixie! Trixie! Hi. Good morning. Naka-seatbelt ka pa. Yummy, yummy. Trixie, is it yummy? Wow, yummy. Here. Here, there is glass here. You can get glass. There's the glass. See. Hi, Kuya. Ah, that's mango. Is that mango? Yes. Oh, you get the glass. Here. Pixie. Oh, careful baka mabasag. Oh, you like that mango. Oh, careful, Gabe. 2 hands. Oh, pull it down. Enough? Okay. Thank you, baby. Taplea. Oh, fruits. Fruits. And podcasts. And salad. Wow, salad. And cheese. And congee. Is this congee? Ah, oatmeal. This is oatmeal. The bacon. Ako, dalawang sunny side up. With egg ham. This one. And this one. Croissant. Kanin. Wow, vegetable. Hash brown. Oh, isda. Tinapa, sarap. Tinapa. Chicken curry. This one, cheesy dog. Wow. And eat now, I like the cheese. And this one is masarap daw.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Hindi ganyan. Ay! Ay! Pag ganito.
Okay, that's it.
Ray. Oh. Ay. Aglaw, ano?
Talaga?
Oo.
Ba't tinatanggal ko pa?
Talaga, pati puti.
Kaya nakain mo yung puti?
Wala, so wala yung puti. Wala lang.
Oo.
Kaya nga. Para kasi kahit tinatanggal.
All my life.
Yung itim lang yung medyo.
Very good.
Oh. Kaya yung mag-ina. Yun yung mag-anak. O yun. Hindi pala napuno.
At all times. Smoking the silent activated smoke alarm, covering the smoke detector and back over. Thank you for your attention. Your guests, you will be allowed to try again.
Well.
Oo, wag mo palampasin na.
Great. May dadahan.